is David, and today I built a handgun.
Alright, David, how did you build it?
I built it with, it works like this, and it turns, and where I touch the sensor right here, so I do like this so the rubber will go out.
What type of sensor is that?
What type? That sensor.
That's right. Can you do a demonstration for us?
Okay, so that way.
Alright, did you change any of the program?
I changed the sound.
Change the sound. Did you do anything else to the program?
No.
What about adding a loop? Did you add a loop?
No.
But you made it so that the program doesn't automatically exit after one shoot, right?
Oh, you mean the program?
Yeah. You changed that part, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I changed it so it'll go around and around.
Okay. Well, good work today. Well done.
Okay,